Welcome back to the Auto Angel, your trusted source for all things automotive. Today we dive into a true titan of the road, the all-new 2025 Nissan Armada. Redesigned to blend power, luxury, and advanced tech, this SUV is here to make waves in the full-size segment. Let's see what makes this latest iteration a standout. The Armada has always been about making a statement, and the 2025 model does not disappoint. Up front, Nissan's signature V-Motion grille is more pronounced than ever, flanked by futuristic LED headlights that look sharp and confident. The sculpted body lines enhance aerodynamics without compromising its rugged appeal. Whether you're in the city or out in the wilderness, this SUV commands attention. Step inside and you're greeted by a cabin that's equal parts sophistication and utility. Premium leather upholstery, wood grain accents, and ambient lighting create a first-class atmosphere. The 2025 Armada seats up to 8 passengers comfortably, making it perfect for families or road trips with friends. And let's talk tech. The 12-ponted 3-inch touchscreen is your command center, loaded with wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and Nissan's latest intelligent interface. A massive wireless charging pad and multiple USB-C ports ensure you're always connected. Under the hood, the Armada packs a beastly 5-pound 9-inch liter V8 engine, delivering 400 horsepower and 413 lp-ft of torque, paired with a refined 9-speed automatic transmission. It's not just about raw power. The Armada is equipped to tow up to 8,500 pounds, making it the perfect companion for hauling trailers or boats. And if you're someone who craves adventure, the available 4WD system with selectable drive modes ensures you can conquer mud, snow, and rocky trails with ease. Safety is paramount, and Nissan has packed the Armada with its most advanced safety suite yet. From ProPilot Assist, which keeps you centered on the highway, to Intelligent Around View Monitor providing a 360-degree perspective, this SUV has your back. Other features like forward collision warning, blind spot intervention, and rear cross-traffic alert ensure peace of mind on every journey. At a starting price expected around $55,000, the 2025 Nissan Armada offers exceptional value in the full-size SUV market. It's a perfect blend of strength, style, and smarts, ideal for those who demand more from their vehicles. Thank you for joining us today on the Auto Angel. The 2025 Nissan Armada is redefining what it means to be a full-size SUV, and we're just scratching the surface here. Let me know in the comments, does this SUV earn a spot on your dream garage list? Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon to stay updated on all the latest car reviews and insights. Until next time, drive safe and stay curious.